What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and once again, Samsung has added a new device to their A series, which now brings it to a total of 9 devices, including this one. Here we have the Samsung Galaxy A20, which joins the party of devices released this year under 10,000 pesos. Let's take it out of the box. Opening it up, we have a smaller box with some documentation. Then there's the unit itself. Let's put that aside first. Other things in the box are the adapter, yes, a Type-C cable, some earphones, and a SIM ejector tool. Now with the A20, what you get isn't that far from what you get with the other A-series phones. The body is made up of a glossy polycarbonate material, also known as Glastic. At the back, there's also the fingerprint scanner and dual rear cameras with an LED flash. Here we have the black variant, but there are also red and blue colors if you want something more bold. We have the volume rocker and power button on the right, while on the left is a triple card slot for 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. Up top is a noise-cancelling microphone, and at the bottom are the headphone jack, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and loudspeaker. Checking out the screen, we get a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1560 by 720 resolution. It's got a water drop style notch, which Samsung likes to call an Infinity V display. It has that really cool light animation that activates when using Face Unlock or opening the front camera. It's a real plus that the A20 has a Super AMOLED panel, as we get more vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and a brighter screen. Moving to cameras, you get an 8-megapixel front camera and dual 13 plus 5-megapixel rear cameras aligned vertically. Check out the sample shots we got so far. Now powering the Galaxy A20 is an Exynos 7884, which is a relatively new processor. It has a Mali G72 MP2 GPU, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. So far in the Antutu V7 benchmark, we got a total score of 94,945, which is a lesser score than the Galaxy M20's Exynos 7904, which got a score of 108,909. But in any case, for software, we get Android Pie, and since this is a Samsung device, that means One UI, which is a very good Android skin and could possibly be a reason to get this phone. We're pretty impressed with One UI around here. Now this is all powered by a 4,000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging, which is a really good offering, by the way. For 9,990 pesos, the A20 is surely at a very competitive price point. However, it might not be enough to compete in terms of overall performance, so stay tuned for a full review to see how it stands amongst the competition. Now I want to hear it from you guys. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy A20? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this has been the Samsung Galaxy A20, and I'll see you guys in the next one.